In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music for all slides in PowerPoint. Whether it's for a professional presentation or a personal project, adding background music can really enrich the audience's experience. So let's dive in and make your PowerPoint presentation more engaging by adding that perfect soundtrack. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure that your presentation is ready and waiting for this little enhancement, because once the music is added, it's time to showcase your creativity. Next, locate your PowerPoint presentation file and open it up. Once inside, it's like opening a book to page 1, ready to add a layer of mood and emotion through music. Head over to the Insert tab on your top menu. This is where you'll find all these extra goodies you can add to your slides, images, charts, even music. Now, move your cursor to the top right corner and click on audio. You'll get a couple of options here. You can either upload an audio file that you already have, or take a bolder step and record something new right on the spot. For our example, let's choose the option to record something. This is a fantastic choice if you want to tailor your audio to the specifics of your presentation, providing a personalized touch to each slide's storyline. Clicking the red button is how you start your recording. Imagine this button as your gateway to creativity. Say what you need to share, play a musical instrument, or hum a gentle tune, whatever captures your intention the best. After you're satisfied with your recording, go ahead and press the stop button. Now, it's important to make some adjustments to ensure the music complements your presentation seamlessly. Navigate to the Playback tab. Here's where the magic happens. Click on Play in Background. This setting makes sure your audio flows continuously across your slides without interruptions. In the audio options section, it's crucial to check that Play Across Slides is turned on. This feature will ensure your music keeps playing smoothly from the beginning to the end of your presentation. Also, check the box for Loop Until Stopped. This option allows the music to continue looping, providing a seamless audio experience if your presentation runs longer than expected. Finally, make sure that the setting is on to start automatically. This ensures that once your presentation begins, the music starts playing without you having to do anything. This is perfect for keeping the flow and pacing of your presentation right on track. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding background music to all your slides in PowerPoint. With these steps, you're all set to dazzle your audience with a seamless audio experience. Good luck and happy presenting.